Welcome. So this course is about death and dying. So three bardos which is connected with the dying. Learning about dying teaches how to live. So this is connected with the three bardos which is connected with the dying. So normally for us we have this fundamental fear. The fear is based on death and dying, the fundamental level. Of course, we have fear about different things, but eventually is you are afraid of dying. Anything, like when I have panic, actually, I have fear of a storm because of related with the dying, maybe storm blow my house, I'm going to die. Or tight my neck, I'm going to die now, I cannot breathe. Or the thunderstorm, or everything. So the fundamental level, the fear is based there, almost like in the underground, very strong, which is fear of death and dying. So if you not face that, then you cannot really free from the fear. So these three bardos, if you understand the bardo of death and dying, then that really helps us to face this fear, and then this give us tool how to work with it, and actually we can transform this into nice journey. So what we call learn until the last breath, grow until the last moment. And you can die with joyful, you can die with peaceful also. So this will be the best adventure in our life if you know how to face it and if you know how to work with it, with the death and dying. So I hope you will enjoy this class.